If Shizuku or AppOps is not working and the start button does nothing, this video will help you fix it. Many users are facing this issue, especially on newer Android versions. Some users report that when they try to start the Shizuku service, the service fails to start or nothing happens at all. This problem is very common on Android 14 and above, including Android 15 and Android 16. First, you need to check your Android version. Go to Settings, then select About Phone. Here, you will see your Android version. If your device is running Android 14, Android 15, or Android 16, you should not use the Shizuku app from the Google Play Store. At the time this video is made, the Shizuku version on the Play Store has not been updated since March 2024. Android 14 was not fully released. Android 15 and Android 16 did not exist yet. That is why the Play Store version often fails to start the service. On newer Android versions, to fix this issue, you need to install the latest Shizuku version. Download Shizuku using the link I shared in the video description. This version supports Android 16 and newer system changes. After downloading and installing the latest version, open Shizuku, follow the correct setup steps, start the service again. In most cases, the service will start normally without errors. If you are new to Shizuku or not sure how to set it up correctly, you can watch the next video where I explain how to use Shizuku step by step.